بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. قل يا أيها الكافرون. Say, O unbelievers, لا أعبد ما تعبدون. I do not serve that which you serve. ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد. Nor do you serve him whom I serve. ولا أنا عابد ما عبدتم. Nor am I going to serve that which you serve. ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد. Nor are you going to serve him whom I serve. لكم دينكم ولي دين. You shall have your religion and I shall have my religion.